Hi everyone, my name is Tuli and this is a short video of ordinal and cardinal numbers in Danish. These are the numbers 1 through 5 in Danish. Tallene 1 til 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are what we call cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are simply how many we have. So in English, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we look at the different floors in Danish, this is called etager. Etager. Depending on which country you're from, you might call the bottom floor here from street level either the ground floor or the first floor. In Danish, this is called stuen. Stuen. Literally, stuen means the living room, but of course in this context it refers to the ground floor or in some cases the first floor. The next floor is called første, første, anden, anden, tredje, tredje, fjerde, fjerde, femte, femte. So these indicate the ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, and the fifth floor. So the first floor is actually the floor above street level. These are what we call ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are the position of the different numbers, so in regards to each other. This is how we write the ordinal numbers in Danish. So you might notice there's a little punctuation mark after the number 1. So in Danish we do not use a number 1 and then st or number 2 and an nd. The way to write ordinal numbers is by putting a punctuation marks immediately after the number. So this is first, second, and of course in Danish we will call them første, anden, tredje, fjerde, femte. This also applies in other contexts. For example, han vinder førstepladsen. He wins the first place. Det den 3. maj. It is the 3rd of May. Det 4. forsøg virker. The 4th try works. Han går i 5. klasse. He is in the 5th grade. As you of course notice, this punctuation is not a period, and therefore the next letter is not a capital letter. Also notice that this applies for months as well. We do not write months in Danish with a capital letter. This was a little introduction to the cardinal and ordinal numbers in Danish. I hope you enjoyed and found this video useful. Thank you for watching.